You need to go home. Come on, Prince. Bye. Okay. So our first bird of prey. Sorry guys, you need to go home. Come on. You're taking too long.
Lala naman.
Princess. Okay. Now our first bird of prey is the diurnal bird of prey. Now diurnal meaning they do their hunting on daytime. And with that, we need the help of Mr. J. Now Mr. J has a lure. It serves as a real food or a real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at catching his food. Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. So he tries to catch his lure. There you go, he catches the lure. Now, Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species, threatened by habitat loss. Now we have here Mr. Ayan. He has a real food or a real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you observe, Mr. Ayan is wearing a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. Now Philippine hawk eagle, they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause for Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now from the diurnal bird of prey, let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey. Now nocturnal meaning they do their hunting at night time. Now with that, I need your preparation. Please remain seated. Now please sit down and relax and be silent because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. Fly that tattoo, good bird. Okay. Now Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head with bulging eyes, and their eyes are very good in total darkness, so they can see 10 times better than the human's eye. Now their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And here in the Philippines, they are locally known as bukaw or quago. Wanna go back na buddy? 1, 2, and 3. So a round of applause for Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. Now our next bird is also known as the quick snatcher bird of prey, and with that, I need the help of Miss Janice again. Now Miss Janice is a wooden platter. It serves as a real food or a real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at snatching his food in flight. Now ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together towards snatching prey in flight, our prominent kite named Shadow. He flies and snatched his food and landed up there. Now prominent kite is also called as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. They have a white plumage from their head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color is striking chestnut brown. Now their diet, they love to eat carrion, small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they are very playful because when the wind is so good, they like to fly and soar. So here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Banok in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog.
Amo din siya.
Nag-go back na ako. Come on, Shadow. Alright. Well, I guess he wants to stay with me. So, a round of applause for our prominent guy named Shadow. Now from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey. Now with that, I really need your cooperation. Please remain seated. No one will stand up and don't try to reach out our birds for your own safety because our bird will fly closer to you. Again, remain seated. No one will stand up and don't try to reach out our bird. Now we have our bird trainer up there, Mr. J. Are you ready, sir? Alright, now please sit down. So ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, now please sit down. Hi. Alright, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high for what? Relative eagle named Marina. The white relative eagle is also known as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to its underparts, and their back and wings are dark gray in color. Now their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Tasmania, and Australia. Alright. So they are also one of those types of birds. And a round of applause for what? Well, it's an eagle named Marina. And you see at this moment, we have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. Now we have three types of lorries, the dancing lorries, the traveling lorries, and the red blue memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace.
Yeah.
Prosperity and harmony, our yearbook features.
Ah,
So
ganito.
before we come to the end of our show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage with Marina, Mr. Ayan, our brand assistant trainer, Mr. Jay, Mr. Mr. Irvin, Miss Janice, Miss Rachel, our team leader, Miss Debbie, our sound